Hello everyone, welcome to the Iris Idea. So we are excited to have you on boarded. So as part of the induction, let's walk through the our policy. So this is for information security policy. So what are the purpose of the information security policy? So our information security policies exist to protect company data, our client information, and your work. So it is employer responsibility to ensure confidentially integrated and responsible uses of data system and assets. Who must follow it? The policy applies to everyone, even employees, consultant, contractor, or a volunteer, anyone who are working with Iris Idea or representing Iris Idea, they must follow this policy. So what is a confidential information? The confidential information regarding company traits, product plan and design, financial record pricing, employee and customer data, or credential and password access. These are the information except to the project details. All are these are a part of the confidential information, client information. You cannot base the client information to anyone. So you must be share this info. If you're sharing this information outside the company without formal approval or a valid NDA, it will be take your action regarding you. So if you want to share anything, you have to take a permission from the company, take approval. After that, you can. But these are the confidential information. During and after employment, you are responsible. Even during a employment, after ending employment with Iris Idea, also you are responsible not disclose or misuse any internal data or whatever the knowledge you have gained in this company to misuse that. I hope you understand during that. Now we have come to property development and innovation or development creating during your employment, whatever the innovation development you have done during the employment to Iris Ideas business, whether a designing, software process, invention, all are belong to the company. You require to report and assign ownership of such development to Iris Idea. If you have worked in any designing, any software, any process or invention during the Iris related to the Iris Idea business, that all are belong to the company. So once you're resigning the company, you must needs to be submit ownership and assign the ownership to the Iris Idea. User and employee data protection. You may across private data of users or colleagues depending on your role. You have some private data uses access depending on your role you have. So this data is highly sensitive and this must be accessed only when necessary. Only legitimate business purpose you can use that, not for for your personal use. Company asset. You are responsible for using a company asset. Laptop, you are getting a company laptop, phone, softwares, or more anything you are getting. You are responsible that you do not misuse for your personal use or any primary work. You have used them responsibly and primarily to for only for ICE idea work. If you have any damage or misuse or unauthorized access, access immediately we can take a action on you. At the time of exits, you have to need to return all the company assets in good condition. If you beach any of if it is if the laptop misused or cracked or it is not damaged from any laptop phones or anything is damaged from your side, that compensation will be taken from your full and final settlement. Respect external confidential. Never being confidential data from a former employee or third party means never be share any confidential information to your former employee or third party for the intellectual property law. and we expect you to do same. We will not share your data, and ICE Idea will not share your data to anyone. Even we are expecting to the same from you, your side also. So thank you so much. I hope you have understand information security policy. If you want to learn more about the information security, you can go to the employment portal, and from there you can check the employment information security policy. So wish you a great career with Iris Idea. Good luck. Thank you so much for watching.